Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at steps to remove the home page from File Explorer. Although you can change the default page when launching File Explorer on Windows 11, I already been asked multiple times if there was a way to actually remove the home entry, as you can see right here on the top left. And the answer is yes, but we have to use the registry. So here's my warning. Making modifications to the registry is risky and it can cause issues if you don't do it correctly. If you plan to use these instructions, it's recommended to create a backup before proceeding. Check the video description that I have a video on how to create a backup on Windows 11. Now let's dive into the steps, but before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Okay, first, if File Explorer is open, close it and now open Start and look for the registry. Then we're going to go to this path, HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer. Then we're going to right click on the Explorer key, and then we're going to select new, and then we're going to create a DWORD 32-bit value. And we're going to name it HubMode and press enter. Then right click on the newly created key and select the modify option. And then we're going to set the value to 1. And then we're going to click OK. Now we're going to change the path to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, desktop, and NameSpace. In here, we need to look for this key right here. Make sure that the hexadecimal number matches with the one on your computer. Then we're going to right click on it and then we're going to delete it. And now, the next time that we open File Explorer, we should no longer see the home entry on the left navigation pane, as you can see right here. If you also don't like the gallery and the OneDrive entries on the left pane, check the video description that I also have videos on how to remove those entries from File Explorer. Okay, now if you want to undo the changes, close File Explorer and then open the registry one more time. And first, we're going to go to the Explorer key. And then we're going to delete the HubMode DWORD that we created earlier. And then we're going to delete it. Then we're going to go to Desktop NameSpace. And then we're going to right click on NameSpace. And then on the new menu, we're going to select the key option. And we're going to actually rename this and we're going to name it like this. Don't worry, just check the video description that I have a link for the written tutorial that has all the steps. You can go to that link and you can copy the exact name for the key and then press enter. Then you're going to notice that we have a default string right here. We're going to right click on it and we're going to choose the modify option and we're going to name it like this. Then click OK. And that should now restore the home entry on File Explorer. So we can close this and now we're going to open File Explorer. And as you can see, the home page is right here. Now, if you don't want to go through the trouble to edit the registry and you don't want the application to always open on the home page, you don't have to remove the entry. You can simply go to the folder options setting. And from here, you can use this setting to choose the page that you want to start every time that you open File Explorer. In this case, this PC, we click apply. Okay, we can close this. And the next time that we open the file manager, we're going to open right into a different page. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable the home page on File Explorer. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.